Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, gold market opened around 29,510. You can see this black color box that indicates the price opening, and also this double dotted vertical lines that indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. Yesterday, gold market opened around 29,510, which is just above the previous day's price closing, which was around 29,470. This is the previous day's price closing. And what we expected yesterday was that we expected gold market to stay in uptrend under one condition: if the price is going to be above 29,520. Even though the price closed lower on the previous day, so we expected gold to continue and stay upward only if the price is going to stay about 29,520, and that is the only strategy we tried to follow yesterday. If the price is going to stay about 29,520, it is going to be a buy. If there is anything going to happen below that, we are going to wait and watch the market. That was our stage, and that was our strategy for yesterday. Now let us see what happened after the price opening, because the market entered into the same zone. So after the price opening, you can very well notice that the market closed 29,520 as expected. So as far as we are concerned, the market is in line with the trend, that is the uptrend. So the market slowly and steadily it gained buying momentum. You can see that very well how strong the market has hit the target of 29,620. So from 29,500, it is a very good gain. It has taken a clear support and it has moved steadily, constantly to approach to 29,620. And we all know that this 29,620 acted as a great resistance on the previous day. So you can notice the same line. This zone has acted as a very good resistance. So what we can expect is that we need something for the market to break this and close above this 29,620. So after taking a resistance, you can see this acted as a clear resistance and has pushed the market down till 29,460. So this is a perfect example of support and resistance. We expected the market to continue its buying. So it went till 29,620. Since this acted as a resistance, so 29,620 acted as a resistance on the previous day. You may note well, the previous day the market dropped from that. So it is a clear drop after that. Now it is going to be a struggle whether the price can stay below 29,520 or if it is going to stay above 29,520. And we had a very clear strategy. If anything going to below 29,520, we are not going to take any buy calls. Only if we see a valuable price actions and a pattern formation above 29,520, we will go for it. Now after that, you can see the market has provided some buying momentum over 29,520. Now this 29,520 has provided a good support for gold market, and it is trying to push the market higher. So this is what happening in the. So it is a very long consolidation, because in the evening session also gold volatility yesterday was a bit low just because of the Independence Day holiday in US market. So evening we didn't had a regular trading session. We had only electronic trading session in NYMEX and COMEX. So that is the reason the volatility is bit low. So what we can now see that is that this is a good news for us. 29,520 is actually, and it is providing a good support for gold market. And after a very long consolidation, you can notice that the market couldn't find a clear direction, but it is staying in line with the trend and closed around 29,570. So when we compare the yesterday's price opening and closing, it is very well clear that the opening and closing, the closed market closed higher than the opening, and also the market stayed in line with the trend and it was in complete control and taking a support around 29,520. So what we can expect and what we can do today. Today also we are expecting gold market to open more or less near the same zone. Of course we can expect the market to just open a bit higher, and also it is subjected to changes just because we are posting all these video presentations well before the currency market opening and also the commodity market opening. So based upon the COMEX price, we are predicting the price opening. It may vary based upon the Indian rupee value also. So it can be more or less within the zone or just few points above this previous day's price closing. Again, there is no going. It is not going. There is no change in our strategy. Still, we are going to follow the same strategy. Why we are following this type of strategy, particularly in gold? Because we often don't follow this type of strategies. We often trade in line with the trend. So the major reason we have explained yesterday. since we see a price difference, a huge difference in the price movement in COMEX market and MCX. There is some adjustment that is happening based upon the international pricing, Indian pricing, and also the rupee factor. So that is the major reason we are picking this box, 29,520 and 29,500. So if it is going to stay above that, hit it for a buy. If it is coming down, don't go for a sell call. Let us wait and show the patience, how patient we are, and let us stick to our strategy. So it is a wonderful strategy to follow whenever there is a lot of uncertainties. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And the most important thing is that today we have a lot of news available in the market, and we have also mentioned the news alerts. You can see when the news is going to flash, and then it can provide us a good buying and volatile momentum. So volatility is what we expect. So today we can expect a very good volatility, and the target zones you may know well 29,620, and if the trend continues 29,720. We need something above 28,620 for today. If there is any closing above 28,620 for today, then we can expect the market can seriously go for a buying, and we can stay in line with the trend. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos and all your support. Happy trading, take care, bye.